Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to solve the most commonly occurring Wi-Fi issues on this laptop. First, open the control center by clicking these three icons in on the status bar. Then, if your Wi-Fi isn't working or isn't working properly, you can toggle it by clicking this icon or by switching the airplane mode on and off. If this doesn't help, you can right-click the Wi-Fi icon, select Go to Settings, then select Network and Internet, go to Advanced Network Settings, Network Reset, click Reset Now, then Yes, and then wait for the notification to appear on your screen. Once you see it, click Close, then go to Power Options and select Restart. Wait until your device is restarted. Once your laptop is restarted, sign into your system. Then, click on the three icons on your status bar, expand the Wi-Fi network list, select the network that you've been connected to, click Connect, enter the password to this network, press Enter, and see if your problem is solved. Now, if you still don't have the stable connection with your Wi-Fi, you can right-click the Wi-Fi icon on your status bar, click Diagnose Network Problems, and then go through the troubleshooting steps you see in front of you. So run the network test, try a different website, restart the Wi-Fi network adapter, restart your modem, router or access point, then restart your PC. And if nothing that was listed here helped you, you can update driver to your network card. Now, if you don't have the stable network connection on this laptop, then you're gonna have to do this on a separate device and then use a USB flash drive to transfer the driver to this laptop. Well, since I have a network connection on this laptop, I'm gonna show you how to do this on this device. So first, in order to update your drivers, go to the web browser, then open the search engine and search for DELL drivers. You're gonna find drivers and downloads on the official dell.com support/home website. Open this website, then you're gonna have to identify your product. To do this, you're gonna have to enter the DELL service tag, which you can find on the back cover of your device. Let me close the lid to quickly show you where to find your service tag. And as you can see, here it is. Use this service tag on the following page to detect your product. Now let's get back to the website. Enter your service tag into this field and click Search. Now, scroll down the list, select drivers, select your operational system, then scroll down and search for WLAN driver. Let me find it. Once you find the Intel BE2 Wi-Fi driver, you have to click Download Selected, then wait until this file is downloaded. And if you're not doing this on the same PC, then you have to transfer this file using the USB flash drive onto your Dell computer, then run this file, click Yes, click Install, You can close your web browser. Click Next, agree to the license agreement and click Install, then wait until the driver is installed. Then click Finish, close, then open the Start button, the Start menu, then go to Power Options, click Restart, and wait until your device is restarted so that we can be sure that the changes applied. And once your laptop is restarted, you're gonna have to check whether the issue was solved. And if you still have this same issue, then I recommend contacting the internet provider first and asking if there is a problem on their side. And if there is no problem on their side, then contact the Dell's customer support service and tell them about your issue. Maybe they will guide you through some more troubleshooting steps. And if nothing helps, then probably it is a hardware problem, probably with your network card, and in such case you either have to send your laptop to the Dell repair center or just head to the nearest repair center around you and let them take care of your laptop. And that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.